Since 1965, Bevco Engineering has been designing and building quality custom control panels and systems. Our ISO 9001 quality program is used to continually improve processes, products, and services in order to consistently meet or exceed customer requirements. We have experience with many global industry standards and are UL listed for industrial control panels, including panels designed for hazardous locations. Our recent investment in automation allows us to provide increased efficiency in engineering design and panel assembly, resulting in a lower total cost of ownership for our customers. At the core of Bevco's new automation system is an engineering software solution that enables us to utilize our design and documentation efforts to fully integrate our automation equipment into the manufacturing process. The software system includes electrical schematic generation and 3D enclosure and panel layout. A critical component of this software is the parts database. This database maintains ordering information, three-dimensional data, drilling patterns, wire connection data in 3D space, and labeling information. After an engineer has completed loading a project, our software system is able to electronically send data to our automation equipment. Drilling patterns are sent to our CNC machine to automatically drill and cut both the subpanels and enclosure. All the required wire data is sent to our wire processing machine. This includes the length of the wire, how the wire is terminated at both ends, the type of inkjet labeling we are going to print on the wire, how the wire is going to be routed, how the final wires are sorted or bundled. Also, labeling information is sent to our engraving equipment, our terminal block labeling machine, and our component identification machine. All of this technology is happening seamlessly and simultaneously, resulting in the most efficient process in the marketplace. Come and see how Bevco Engineering can help you improve your bottom line.